morning, student. It is your second video of fourth chapter, disaster management. So let's start our chapter, disaster management. Okay, student, disasters having mainly two types. There are two types of disaster, one man-made disaster and another one is a natural disaster. Those disasters occur by nature, they are called natural disaster, whereas those disasters occur due to human activity is called man-made disasters. So first we will start natural disaster, earthquake. Student, you know earthquake. It is a very hazardous disaster. Now, how this earthquake take place? So, internal part of the earth start the movement. When the internal part of the earth start the movement, tremendous large amount of energy are released from that, and this energy cause the seismic waves. Due to this energy, seismic waves is created, and these seismic waves start the movement of the earth surface. ओके, सो अर्थ सरफेस को मूव करती है, वाइब्रेट करती है, शेकिंग करती है, एंड ड्यू टू डैट ट्रेमर्स, शेकिंग एंड क्रैकिंग डेवलप्स सच वाइब्रेशन और क्विकिंग. तो दिस वाइब्रेशन और मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस इज कॉल्ड द अर्थक्वेक्स. It is also believed that beside the natural earthquake, due to man activity also, sometime earthquake occurs, like mining. When the man construct the mining, due to the mining, the pressure occur on the earth surface, and due to that also earthquake occurs. Sometime due to creation of large dam, due to pressure of the water, earthquake can be happen. Effect of earthquake. So in earthquake there is a large destruction, huge destruction of the human life and properties occurred, like buildings, bridges, road, railways, railway tracks, etc. are disturbed or destroyed in this type of disaster. Sometime what happened, due to the cracking or due to the land sliding, the direction of the river also changes, the flow direction of the river also changes. Okay students, second disaster we are studying, floods. This flood is frequently occurred in all over the world. Frequently occurred means what? It occurred on, this disaster occurred large number on the earth. Now, how flood occurs? So, due to excessive rain, sometime in some region, excessive rains, raining start, and due to that excessive rain, the rivers are overflows, and whatever drainage system in that place is a sort to overflow all the water to another place, and therefore on water is lodging at that place. वो place पे water जमा होने लगता है, and due to that वहाँ पे फ्लड आता है. So what is the effect of flood? So there is a very serious, severe effect of the flood, like huge loss of life and property. बहुत सारी life और property का loss होता है. Then it carries out the soil erosion. When the water flow on the surface of the land, that time whatever good soil is there, humus is there, it flow with that water, and due to that वो soil का क्या हो जाता है, erosion हो जाता है. Soil fertile soil non fertile हो जाती है. Destruction of standing crops, whatever crop is there, अगर ये flood फार्म में आते, खेती में आते, तो वहाँ पे जो भी स्टैंडिंग क्रॉप्स है वो सारे क्रॉप्स को बहा के लेके जाते हैं. एंड ड्यू टू डैट ऑल्सो destruction also carried out. And one more effect of the flood is that ki after flood overs, due to everywhere disease are spreaded and other effect are spreaded, because whatever due to the flood, यहाँ वहाँ पे सब कचरा हो जाता है, गंदगी होती है, and due to that disease spread होने के chances ज़्यादा होते हैं. Third natural disaster is storms. Now, how the storm is formed? It is formed due to the formation of two type of belt, that is high pressure air belt and low pressure air belt. When the high and low air pressure belt is formed in the same region, so air flow from higher level to lower level. But in this case, the air is a flow higher level to lower level with a great speed, and due to that great speed tromp occurs. जब एयर ज़्यादा स्पीड पकड़ लेती तो उसको वो ट्रॉम्प्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. Effect of tromps. What effect of tromps is there? It also causes the great damage to the life and property whatever comes under the way of the tromps. जो भी उसके अंडर में आता है, जो भी इसके रीजन में आता है, वो वहाँ की जो भी बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह है उसको कोलैप्स कर देती है, वहाँ के घर को कोलैप्स कर देते हैं, वहाँ के छप्पर वगैरह उड़ा के लेके चले जाते हैं. एंड वॉट एवर लाइफ कम्स अंडर द वे ऑफ ट्रॉम्प उसको भी वो डिस्ट्रॉय करती है. There is a tremendous loss of life and property. Whatever electrical poles is there, electrical poles जो भी इसके अंडर में आते हैं उस सबको डिस्टर्ब कर देती है, वायर्स वगैरह ब्रेक कर देती है, पोल्स को वगैरह गिरा देती है. एंड ऑल्सो इट डिस्टर्ब द ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन के जो टावर्स लगे, मोबाइल टावर्स लगे, वो भी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू स्टॉर्म्स. एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम, रोड्स वगैरह जाम हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ स्टॉर्म्स. Fourth disaster is the forest fires. Now forest fire occur due to there are two types of forest fire. One is a natural forest fire and one is a man-made forest fire. So how natural forest fire occurs? So when the dry twigs of the tree are rubbed on each other, when dry twigs of the tree rub on each other, the energy heat is generated, and due to that heat the tree or dry twigs catch the fire, and this fire spread all over the forest. So when the fire carried by the natural by the rubbing of the dry twigs, dry लकड़ियों के rubbing से जब fire लगती तो that is called natural forest fires. But due to the human activity, like that humans are going for enjoying picnic in the forest and there they light up fire. उन्होंने फायर जलाई और वो फायर की चिंगारी आजू बाजू के पेड़ को लग गई, तो उससे जो फॉरेस्ट फायर होता है that is called the man-made forest fires. फॉरेस्ट फायर ऑल्सो वेरी डेंजरस बिकॉज इट स्प्रेड वेरी ट्रिमेंडसली. बहुत ही फास्ट स्प्रेड होता है ऑल ओवर द फॉरेस्ट, एंड कंट्रोल दिस फायर इज नॉट अ इजी जॉब. इफेक्ट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट फायर्स. ग्रेट डैमेज टू नेचुरल वेल्थ एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी. जो भी नेचुरल वेल्थ है, मतलब द फॉरेस्ट इज़ आवर नेचुरल वेल्थ, हम लोग की नेचुरल संपत्ति है, तो वो तो लॉस में जाती है, वो डैमेज तो पूरी तरह से होती है. With that biodiversity, whatever living life was present there, जो भी living life वहाँ पे present होते, they also get destroyed. And due to the burning of the all plant and whatever animal is present in there, pollution, बहुत ज़्यादा pollution occur होता है. Student, here we studying the disaster management. Now disaster management is a team in which community participate, and they take the step to prevent the disaster, making a plans and reduce the gravity of the disasters. So the community whose ability to take a step to prevent disaster, making plans to face a disaster and developing the capacity for that is called a disaster management. So in India there is one institute that called as a disaster management, and it works at the Delhi, the National Disaster Management. The institute name is National Disaster Management Authority, and it is established in 2005. It undertakes, now what the work of this disaster management team. So it undertake planning and implement of disaster management work. So disaster में क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, इसका सारा स्टडी ये लोग करते हैं, and planning also they do. Always remember, during a disaster, helpline and supporting each other is our moral responsibility. So whenever disaster occur, हम लोग को एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी चाहिए, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, और यही हम लोग की मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.